Welcome back. Hearing on Goa mining petition is not expected to come before the Supreme Court in this week also. Green bench of the Supreme Court is likely to change after 20th March. Hearing on Karnataka mining is on. Goa matter is listed after Orissa and Karnataka. On the other side, Sesa Goa has paid 100 crore rupees of stamp duty towards Mines and Geology Department.
Hearing on Karnataka mining is on from last month in the Supreme Court. But hearing on Goa's mining matter is not expected this week also. Green bench of the Supreme Court would change after 20th March. Chief Justice Aftab Alam will retire on 20th March. Entire mining belt is eagerly waiting for the outcome of the hearing on mining cases. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is hopeful that the court will allow handling of dumps. Meanwhile, Sesa Goa paid stamp duty of 100 crores to Mines and Geology Department on Tuesday. Total 247 crore rupees are collected by Mines Department. 30 crore rupees are yet to be paid by Sesa Goa. Stamp duty of 2 mining renewals was paid by the company. GPCC has demanded that Environmental Ministry should prepare environment assessment report before handling dumps.
The environment impact assessment plan पडे हा तो सद्दा म्हणटालो की दिल्ली रावन कोत्ताय म्हणे की कोण सायटीर वचना आनी चेक करना म्हण ते सारकें चेक करचें आनी होरी जो तर ती लेगसी आहा people of Goa are watching her म्हण.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Yet again, PWD water pipeline was damaged during work of the new airport terminal at Daboli. The pipeline was damaged on Tuesday at around 6 in the evening. This has affected water supply in Marmugaon Taluka. PWD officials informed that the restoration work is in progress.
आमगे एक्चुअली मेसेज मेळ्ळी 6 वरांचेर आमच्याच एक मनशान फोन केलो की उदक व्हांवता रोखडेच आमी हांगा धांवत आयले आनी एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीक कॉन्टेक्ट केलो सो पळयलें जाल्यार तांची मशिनरीन आमची MS पायपलायनीक बुराक घाल्लो आसा हें आतां तांचेच हेल्प घेवन आमकां कंप्लीट करची पडटा कित्याक आमकां पयलीं प्रायोरिटी आमची लोकांक उदक सप्लाय करपाची सो इमिजिएटली काय आमचे कडल्यान मशिनरी अरेंज जावपाना सो तांणी सगळो हेल्प आमकां प्रोवायड करता अशें म्हूण सांगलां सो आनी म्हजे कोतान एक 5 ते 6 वर भितर हें काम कंप्लीट जातलें थोडी एरिया इफेक्ट जातली म्हणजे न्यू वाडें सडा मांगोर ही एरिया गांधीनगर ही एरिया मातशी इफेक्ट जातली पण आमी मागीर सकाळ फुडें मातशें डिले करून तांकां मागीर उदक दिवपाची अरेंजमेंट करतले.
A book written by DIG of Goa Police O.P. Mishra was released by Governor Bharatveer Vanchu on Tuesday. The book, namely Watch Out, focuses on proactive measures to be taken by us for safe living. While releasing the book, Governor Bharatveer Vanchu said that this book will help common man in preventing crime.
I'm sure if people follow these small tips that are there, which are based, as I've mentioned in the foreword, on his varied experience in Delhi and also on very commonsensical approach on various issues. If we follow these, we would render society safe.
DIG of Goa Police and writer of book O.P. Mishra said that he has written this book on the basis of his experience as a police officer.
While prevention of crime on the street is the exclusive responsibility of police, citizens play a very important role in preventing crime in closed door and other secured premises. This handbook identifies some critical areas in both spheres and highlights proactive precautions for prevention of crime.
Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has ordered Goa government to give benefits of assured career progression scheme to the petitioner who was denied appropriate pay scale even after his promotion of grade. The petitioner, a driver with Goa Police, was promoted in 1990 from grade D to C.
The High Court in its order directed state government to give benefits of assured career progression scheme to the petitioner from the date of promoted appointment. The petitioner was first appointed as a police constable in Group D post as on 4th February 1987, but later he got promoted for the post of police constable driver in Group C category. But he did not get any promotional benefits as pay scale was same for both the posts that time. During the hearing, state government argued that under the policy, the petitioner would be entitled to get next promotional pay scale, namely that of head constable from 30th July 2002. As per government's policy, a person working in same post, if he is not promoted in 12 years, He is entitled to get promotional pay scale irrespective of whether he is promoted or not. The High Court in its judgment held that the petitioner would fall in category of Assured Career Progression Scheme, that's ACPC, with effect from the date of appointment as a police constable driver from 30th July 1990 and directed government to pay the arrears after recalculating the same within a period of 14 weeks. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.